another Unbox and Play, and today we'll be playing with the LEGO Creator 3-in-1 Dolphin and Turtle rebuildable playset. But before we get building, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. The button's just down there. Nice job! Kids can enjoy exciting underwater fun with this brilliant LEGO Creator 3-in-1 Dolphin and Turtle rebuildable playset. But today, we're going to create the fish and crab. Okay, let's get building! Oh, I wish I could make a fish. Let's make a fish! Woohoo! Okay guys, now we've come to the part of the LEGO challenge where we're gonna have to make the hardest part. We're going to make a crab. Are you ready? Here we go. Done. Thank you. And our first creature is completed. A crab and his garden. Well, that's crabulous. It's time to build that fish. The fish is finished. No, it's not. Ah! Why was the ocean upset? Because the seaweed. Gross. Fish-tacular. So cute. Hello, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Frederick.
Hi, Frederick. How are you?
Oh, I'm fish-tacular.
Oh, amazing. Hey, who's this down here? Is this your pet crab?
Yes, that's my pet crab. His name is Krabby Crab Crab Crab. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I threw him back again.
I might go and play with these guys a little bit more, and maybe you can click the link below to see some more unboxings. And don't forget before you go to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching another Unbox and Play with me, Captain Starlight. See you later.